Let us add a clipping plane. Maximize perspective. Here you find the clipping plane. I want to create it vertically. Draw. And there we have the clipping plane. I always go to properties and make sure it is clipping in perspective. So if I start dragging, there you go. Beautiful. Now, to change the direction, all you need to do is click on flip direction. And now it is clipping from the back to the front. As easy as that. So one more time. Open up. And there you go. You can open up the toolbar if you want to. Viewport layout. And there you have adding a clipping plane.